Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering and learning Symfony 3. So in the previous video we learned about the loop for, and as output it gave us this output with three articles that we have or that we created in the controller. And here as for any loop for, we need the index, or we put as the I equals 0 and I plus plus. So now here if we want the index, here we have it as the ID, but if we want to table or to declare it also, we need to put here before the article a variable. So we name it anything we want. For example, for me I will name it index, and here I will put this index. So now if we save, go back and refresh, it will give us the same output, because we know that index in loop for it starts with 0. But there is another thing in the loop for, it named loop, and it has or it contains 7 parameters. One of those parameters is the index, so let's use it. Loop dot index, let's save it, let's go here and refresh, and now it will start with 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, check that, see here 1, 2 and 3. So here we can either use the index or the index of the loop. If we wanted to start with 0, we need here to add 0, so loop dot index 0. Let's save, go back to our code, refresh, and it will be 0, 1 and 2. Let's see. So now let's make this look more visible and more nicer. Let's go and add bootstrap. So let's go to getbootstrap.com, click on get started, and let's copy that link. So here copy it, and let's go and paste it in the head. So let me paste it just in here. Here it is, save it. Now let's put a div of container, inside that another div of row, and inside that another, let's make it call dash md dash 12. Don't know why my image it's not working, so I will make it, sorry for that. So container, not good, just class container with another row. I'll delete this touch in here. Oh, we'll just copy this, so copy in here and copy in here also, just save it. And here a row, and here call dash mga dash 12. So let's save that. Now let's add list. So here ul dot list group, hopefully it will generate it. No, so we will add it ul and with class bootstrap that list group. So list group, and inside list we will add le, so le with class of here le. Here so and here with class equal list group dot item. So now inside this LE I will copy this, so cut and now paste. Just make this visible. Now let's save it. Let's go back and refresh to see the output. Refresh. And now we see that it's add-on beer. So here beer also. So let's go, let's again refresh, and now we see that it's more visible and it's more also nicer than before. But this is not the link that we passed in here for Bootstrap. It's not professional. We will see after how to add professional like style and use the assets. This is just for this video to make the output in Navigator more nicer. Here let's make this popular for also the LE. So here let's do this, go back, save, refresh. Now it will look even more nicer. Now here, now everything just is less and LE. So now let's see how we can use condition in for class. So let's go here and here let's put condition. For example, if the index equal to 0, we wanted to add a active class. So how we do that? We basically create the condition like the same we see. So this if index equal to 0, because here we use the index of 0, add active. And since we open the if out condition, we need to close it. So let's close it with and if. Let's save and let's see what we have. So let's refresh. Now we see this LE it's with class active because her index or its index is equal to 0. That's why this so basically this condition is true. That's why he add active to the class. And it is also another option or in here in the loop. So instead, so here if you want to use the loop and we want this active to be in for example in our first item of this list. So basically we say loop dot not index but dot first. So now in this loop does first it return true. It's a boolean, it return true or false. So basically it return true when we are in the first item and false when we are not in the first item. So if we save, go back and check, refresh, and we will have same output because here it's the first. So it will add the active button of the active class to the first, even if we see it with like if we inspect element, so inspect, we will see the active with class. So see here active because it's the first, and since it is the first, so we basically need to have last also. So go here and instead of first you write last, save it. Go now and refresh, and this active it will added to the last item. But now how about if we want to add some, for example, two uppercase. So if we want to make the title two upper, so in PHP we will use str two upper, and it will change this title to be two uppercase. But now since here we are in twig, this two upper it will not work here. So basically what we do, we will use the filter. How we do that, let me show you. So let's do filter here for int title. To use filter we use the pipe, so pipe and upper. Let's save, go back and refresh, and normally all title will be in uppercase. See now, all title are in uppercase. This is why this is not with uppercase, because we didn't use the filter. We leave it alone, and this filter goes only with title. There is another one, lower. It's basically so lower it will return them back as they can to the lower case. So we will refresh. So to lowercase. Now what if we want to make just the first letter to uppercase? To do that we will use another filter, its name capitalize. So capitalize server, and we will see now all this T with uppercase. If we refresh, see now all the T with uppercase. It exists another filter, it's called title, and basically what he does, he make every first letter of any name, for example, go with uppercase. So let's use it here, title. Let's save, let's go and refresh. Now T and F, P, I will all go to uppercase. So see, all with uppercase. We can also use the filter with that. For example, here if we want to change the format of the date, here it gives us year, month and day. So let's make it day slash month slash year. So how we do that? We go here and we use to filter that. So here we say we use the day, then the month, then the year. Let's save it, go and refresh. I think the year, yeah. So now it's the month, the day, the month and the year. Let's go back and use, for example, another format. Let's go here, F, G and Y. So let's save, go, refresh, and it will give us this format, name of the whole month, the day and the year. Now how about if we want to know how many characters in this paragraph? So let's use again another filter. So let's go. Let's add for example a span. It's just for little of style span. Let's use badge as class equal badge, and here, so I will just copy this, don't worry, it will not show up again. Let's do this as a paragraph. Yeah, here also paragraph, and let's use the filter. The name of the filter, it's length. So length, save. Let's go back and check now. And here see it's 12 because they all have the same. So let's go and, for example, change folder first here. Let's save, go and refresh. See, now we see here that it adds, because we add in the paragraph. So I think this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you